Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Shelatin awesomeness, Shelatin awesome, Shelatin awesomeness. We're chilling with the Shah family. We're chilling with the Shah family.
I'm your girl Tanisha, and this is,
Sheldon people.
and together we're an awesome couple.
These guys having fun together, guys. Remember, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please
Please
do
do
so.
so
Yeah,
now.
click on that red magic button, guys.
Welcome all new subscribers. Remember to like the video and leave a comment below.
Yes, guys. Yes, guys. All right. So we were tagged by Shan Kitchen JA to do the
Yes.
40 questions challenge. Yes, guys. So here we are about to take on the 40 questions.
Challenge.
All right. First question is, do you like blue cheese?
No,
I-
I've never had it before.
I don't know what blue cheese is, guys. I've never had blue cheese. Next question is, Coke or Pepsi? Both, depending on what the shop has at the moment in time.
Not my thing, but maybe Pepsi.
Right. Number 3, are you in a relationship? What kind of question is that?
And that means,
We are. Oh.
yeah, duh.
Next. Whiskey, vodka, or tequila? Vodka.
Vodka for me, yeah.
Right. Next one is hot dog or cheeseburger?
I
Hot
prefer
dog.
hot dog.
Yeah, hot dog. Favorite food? Ackee and saltfish and breadfruit.
Stew peas with pig's tail and rice.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, she love that one, the people. What do you drink in the morning? Water.
Water.
Oh boy. Can you do 100 push-ups? Really? When I was younger, I can still do it, but I don't know.
100 minus 99.5. So I can do 0.5. Yeah.
You can do 5 people. Not so bad. Not so bad. Not so bad at all. Favorite season of the year? Summer.
I like Christmas.
No, really, it's coming. It's around the corner.
Yes.
Hobby. I got 2 minutes. I don't know which one to choose right now, guys. I got a lot.
Hobby.
Yeah.
Okay. My hobby is my job.
Alright. Any tattoos? None. And in the future? None.
No tattoo. Not a tattoo fan. Prefer piercing.
Yeah. Do you wear glasses? Not yet.
No, never.
Alright. Any phobia? Well, I cannot swim. So,
I can't swim either.
for the water. What is your nickname? You tell me, I got many.
Twee,
Right now it's Mr. Awesome though.
10.
Favorite candy? What is that question? Favorite candy?
Well, I don't eat sweets.
I mean people know. Do you believe in ghosts? Yeah. Country me come from.
Well,
real.
it's real.
W is real. What is your biggest regret? 2020 and Corona.
I have no regrets. Everything, everything was meant to happen in this life.
Okay. Rain or snow, babes?
Rain or snow?
Mhm.
I'm studying.
Rain or snow?
Rain, I've never experienced snow.
Yeah, I said rain, guys. Never experienced snow. What is your age? Really? Look at me. I'm young.
16.
I'm
No.
young.
16, no.
French fries or onion rings? French fries.
French fries.
French fries all the way. How many kids? How many kids?
You tell me.
I got 2. How much more we having? I don't know. Favorite color? Blue.
Well, black.
She like black. Well, it's black in color, but she likes black. Can you sing? Mary had a little lamb.
Hallelujah.
No, we cannot sing. We cannot sing. Can you sing?
Hallelujah.
Can you whistle? Hello, yo, chill. Yeah, stop. Oh, sister. Wonderful wisdom, I'm to you. Um,
Oh God.
where were you born?
Where? As in
Where?
where? Clarendon.
Born in my yard.
You born in?
In my yard in Manchester, yeah.
Eh?
I'm pushing out right in the yard.
What?
No hospital. Yeah. Country. Any siblings? Many.
Yes, a lot.
Many.
A lot.
Can you cook?
Really? What kind of question is that?
We big panda around here, people.
Yeah.
Can you swim?
Nah.
Not to save my life. I die if I can't swim. Are you religious? Yeah.
Yeah.
God. Yeah, God. Shower or bath? Huh.
Shower.
Shower. When I'm bath from. City or countryside? Countryside. Yeah.
Both at different timing.
Are you a good friend?
Yes, I am. I am an awesome friend.
Hey.
Are you a good friend?
Hey, bro, you don't see that. I got you. You know that.
Okay.
Alright. Sure. Any broken bones? None.
No. Thank
Never.
you, Lord. Thank
Never
you.
had any. How many TVs do you own?
China better start count.
Well, we have some screens here, people. But ain't we got some screens. Worst pain ever? Emotional pain. Death of mom. Emotional pain. Death of mom.
Death of mom.
Yeah.
That pain will never go away.
Yeah. That's some pain, guys. Death of a loved one, you know? Ouch. Moving on. Do you like to dance? We like to dance, but we cannot dance. We cannot dance. Do you like camping? In Jamaica, we don't camp.
No, we never go camping, babe.
We're not camping in Jamaica, babes.
But kids now want to go camping summertime.
Yeah, but we never go through them phases.
we never.
Yeah, in a full time, we not camp. We just go bush, play Dolly House and come back. I was never the dad though. I was never the dad. I was always a child going for, you know? I don't know. Yeah. Are you weird? You tell me.
Maybe I am.
Am I weird, guys?
I like to be different, so I'll try weird. Definitely.
Okay. Which 6 persons are you tagging to take part in this?
Oh.
Natalie. Who again?
Natalie, Nita, Dion, Journey.
That's 2. The Young's family. 3.
We are the Young family.
The Jamaica Grand family.
The Jamaica Grand family.
Oh yeah. Anna Abigail, come on. Anna Abigail.
Anna Abigail.
Come for it, Anna Abigail.
Go, Anna.
40 questions, okay? One more. We gotta choose one more person.
Blessed Girl Joe.
Okay, blessed girl Joe, go for it. And guys, there you have it, our 40 questions in under 10 minutes, guys. Guys, we're going for some time this time. We're like, let's see how fast we can get this one out. And we did it under 10 minutes, guys.
Yes.
Awesome.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Remember to subscribe, like, and comment on our page.
Yes. And the questions will be in the description, guys, so you can have them.
Alright, guys. Peace out.
Bye.